If you're building a high-performance workstation or server around an AMD EPYC processor, the HUANANZHI H12D 8D is a motherboard worth taking a look at. This is an ATX motherboard designed for AMD EPYC 7002 and 7003 series CPUs, making it suitable for demanding workloads such as scientific computing, professional applications, content creation, and workstation use. One of the biggest highlights is the memory support. The H12D 8D comes with 8 DDR4 memory slots and supports 8-channel memory with a total capacity of up to 512 gigabytes. That kind of memory capacity can be especially useful when you're working with large data sets, virtualization, heavy multitasking, or other memory-intensive applications. For networking, the motherboard features dual 2.5 gigabit RJ45 ports, giving you fast wired connectivity. It also supports a BMC module with IPMI, which is a really useful feature for workstation and server environments because it allows for remote system management and monitoring. When it comes to expansion, you get 4 PCIe X16 slots based on PCIe 3.0. That gives you plenty of flexibility for adding graphics cards, storage controllers, networking cards, or other PCIe expansion hardware. Storage is also well covered, with 3 M.2 slots supporting 2280 SSDs, so you can build a fast storage setup without relying entirely on traditional SATA drives. The H12D 8D is built in an ATX form factor, making it suitable for desktop workstations and a variety of professional applications. Whether you're building a system for video and audio editing, scientific computing, office workloads, or other demanding tasks, this motherboard offers a lot of expansion and memory flexibility. The motherboard package is listed at around 1.95 kilograms, with packaging dimensions of approximately 38 by 31 by 13 centimeters. Now let's talk about the price. It's currently listed at around $559, compared to an original listed price of $850.76, which is shown as a 34% discount. Of course, prices and availability can change, so make sure to check the latest listing and verify CPU, memory, BIOS, and other compatibility details before purchasing. If you want to check out the HUANANZHI H12D 8D, click the link in the description below to buy and see the latest price and specifications. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, PC hardware, and interesting gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.